Hello American family, hope you guys are good. Today I've got Stephen over here with me and he came all the way from Uganda to Dubai on a freelance visa. People usually ask me, Kareem, is it possible for us to come from Uganda or any other African country directly on a freelance visa to Dubai? Yes, it's very possible. I've got an example over here. Let's introduce him. Hello, hey Stephen, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good. So Stephen, I want you to share your experience with our fellow viewers. First of all, which visa did you come on?
I came with a freelance
visa, right. So first of all, what are the requirements that you gave us for freelance?
For the freelance visa, all I gave you was my passport. I gave you the Interpol letter, and then plus my passport size photos. That's all.
Okay. So 3 things are required: your passport picture, your white background passport size picture, and an Interpol letter, a police clearance certificate attested from UAE embassy. Where did you get that attested from? Can you tell the people who are in Uganda?
That was attested from